2027 Volvo Motorhome is finally here, and it's bringing a whole new level of Scandinavian luxury, smart technology, and premium road trip comfort to the American RV market. Built with Volvo's legendary safety engineering and modern electric hybrid innovation, this futuristic motorhome is designed for travelers who want the comfort of a luxury apartment combined with the power of a next-generation touring vehicle. From its aerodynamic exterior to its ultra-modern smart interior, the 2027 Volvo Motorhome looks more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional RV. At first glance, the front design instantly feels premium. The signature Volvo LED Thor hammer headlights give the motorhome a bold and futuristic appearance, while the massive panoramic windshield creates a commanding road presence. Volvo has designed the body with lightweight aluminum and carbon composite materials to improve fuel efficiency and stability during long-distance travel. The aerodynamic shape also helps reduce wind noise and improve highway performance. Powering the 2027 Volvo Motorhome is a new hybrid turbo diesel and electric drivetrain, producing around 620 horsepower and nearly 900 pound-feet of torque. This massive power allows the motorhome to tow heavy trailers, boats, or extra camping equipment with ease. Volvo's advanced all-wheel drive system improves traction in snow, rain, and rough terrain, making it perfect for adventure travelers across the United States. The smooth automatic transmission and adaptive air suspension provide a luxury car-like driving experience even on long highway journeys. Inside, the cabin feels like a five-star Scandinavian hotel. Volvo focuses heavily on minimalistic luxury, premium materials, and smart technology. Soft ambient lighting surrounds the cabin, while natural wood trims, leather seating, and panoramic glass windows create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. The driver cockpit features a fully digital dashboard with a massive curved touchscreen infotainment system powered by Google built-in technology. Drivers can control navigation, entertainment, climate settings, cameras, and smart home functions directly from the screen or through voice commands. The living area is where the 2027 Volvo Motorhome truly shines. Buyers can choose between multiple floor plans, including luxury family editions and executive lounge models. The main lounge includes reclining captain chairs, a large OLED entertainment screen, wireless charging stations, and expandable seating areas. Volvo has also integrated smart glass windows that automatically adjust tint levels depending on sunlight conditions. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave oven, dishwasher, and hidden storage compartments. Solid stone countertops and premium cabinetry give the kitchen a modern luxury apartment feel. There's also an advanced water purification system and energy-saving electric appliances powered by roof-mounted solar panels and lithium battery packs. The bedroom area offers a king-size smart bed with memory foam technology and adjustable sleeping positions. Ambient lighting, premium insulation, and active noise cancellation create an incredibly quiet sleeping environment. The rear master suite also includes a walk-in wardrobe, hidden safe storage, and a private workstation for remote workers and digital travelers. One of the most impressive features is the futuristic bathroom design. Volvo includes a spa-inspired shower system, heated floors, touchless faucets, LED mirrors, and eco-friendly water recycling technology. The bathroom feels more like a luxury hotel than a traditional RV setup. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. Volvo equips the 2027 model with Level 3 semi-autonomous driving capability, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance systems, and advanced driver monitoring. The smart AI assistant can even manage cabin temperature, lighting, security, and entertainment preferences automatically. Another major highlight is the off-grid capability. The Volvo Motorhome includes a massive solar roof system, next-generation lithium batteries, and optional hydrogen range extender technology. Owners can camp off-grid for several days without needing external power connections. This makes it ideal for national park adventures, remote camping, and long road trips across America. In terms of models, Volvo is expected to offer three primary trims. The base Momentum model focuses on comfort and technology for families. The Inscription trim adds more luxury materials, upgraded electronics, and premium seating. At the top of the lineup, the Excellence Edition delivers ultimate VIP-level luxury, with executive lounge seating, expanded living space, and custom interior options. Pricing for the 2027 Volvo Motorhome is expected to start around $285,000 for the base Momentum model in the United States. The mid-range Inscription trim may cost around $360,000, while the fully loaded Excellence Edition could exceed $500,000 depending on customization and technology packages. The official release date is expected in late 2026, with first deliveries arriving across the United States during early 2027. Volvo plans to target luxury RV buyers, digital nomads, retired travelers, and adventure families looking for premium long-distance comfort with advanced safety and eco-friendly performance. Overall, the 2027 Volvo Motorhome could become one of the most advanced luxury RVs ever created. With its combination of Scandinavian design, powerful hybrid performance, smart technology, luxury interior, and off-grid capability, Volvo is redefining what a modern motorhome can be. This isn't just a vehicle for travel. It's a luxury smart home on wheels designed for the future of adventure.